Your Excellencies, this is announcing the arrival of His Excellency Sir Malpresenable Siminalayi Fubara, DSSRS, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. Announcing the arrival of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State. Sir Siminalayi Fubara.
Like me, here present, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me, on behalf of the government and the wonderful people of, welcome you all to this event. As a matter of fact, kings don't die. What they do, they transit to become ancestors. So we are here to lead our great monarch to join his ancestors while he waits for us. We're not coming now though. Let me thank the family, first of all, for working together with the Kalabari ethnic group to see that this burial, after so many years of waiting, has finally come to actual fulfillment. I want to thank the Kalabari people for all the cooperation given to every unit to ensure that this event is holding today, as against every other prediction. So I thank you. For me, as the governor representing you, the governor of our dear state, I want to urge every one of you, it's a very difficult period, but just be peaceful. We cannot achieve in an environment of chaos. We cannot grow our state to our aspiration when there is trouble. We can only advance to that, our dream state, in a peaceful environment. So I urge every one of you to be peaceful. It's important I say this. Peace is the only instrument that can bring development. So I want to urge you, not just after the burial or the complete transition of our monarch, you start fighting. Please, ensure peace. Even in the process that is going to commence after this moment, we need every peace, more especially at this moment. Let me once again thank especially our mother, the impatient Jonathan, for coming to grace this very, very important occasion. It's a sign that you love your people and God will continue to love you and add all that you need to yourself. Let me also say here, our people should not lose hope. The only thing that keeps a man moving is when you have hope. And by the special grace of God, we have a system presently from the federal that has given us that hope. Renewed hope agenda. We will continue to key to it. We will give you every reason to believe that tomorrow is going to be better for every one of us. So let me also assure you that we will continue to cooperate and support the Kalabari people. If there is any need of anything, feel very free to call us. Call me as a person, also reach me as a government. I want we. We can only get it better with we. Let me on this note thank every one of you, both the people on my side and the people on the other side. We will all get there together as one. To our Prince, Toye, take heart. It will happen one day, and it has happened. It is also a great moment that you are the one seeing your father to eternity. So don't let your heart not be too heavy, because you have your people around you to make you fulfill this day. So let me on this note thank every one of you again and assure you of our continuous support. By the glory of God, we will not fail Rivers people. God bless you all.